Guys, today I'm just doing a quick review of something called T-Cut Colour Fast, which I've just bought from that famous German supermarket beginning with A. It's not, you can see over there, it's not the van today that we're working on. So I'm just doing a little bit, it is a shortage just to see whether this stuff actually works. It was $4.99 rather than $11.99, which I think it is on Amazon or eBay. So yeah, let's just get straight into it and see how it goes. Okay, stop. Okay, so all you need to do is put it on a damp cloth, right, and just rub it on like this. And this is all it says to do. It does, steady on. It does say that if you have swirls or scratches, spend a little bit of extra time on it. But I'm just giving it a quick go to see if it works. If it works on my car, I'm going to buy some white and do the van with it this week. I've got a few scratches which are easier to see on the car. Bit of elbow grease, just putting it on. It says to let it dry. Let's just carry on with this. Okay, so once you actually put this stuff on, there it is again, T-Cuts Colour Fast. Once you put it on, you have to let it dry, and then all it says do is just buff it off. Oh my god, that is good stuff. I'll tell you what, that for £5, that is bloody good stuff. I don't know if you can see that there. Just got a clean microfiber cloth and just rubbing it off. And look at that. Look at that shine. Wow. That is good. I'd recommend that, definitely. Definitely going to buy some of this. I've already done that bit there, you can see. Look at that. Look at the shine on that. So yeah, good recommendation. Definitely buy that. Alright, bye for now.